Geobyte.
Hi children, welcome to the Geobyte paper folding and punched concept. Already in a part 1 we said this is the last topic from the mental ability part 2 video. Paper folding and punched. Previously we mentioned what is the logic paper folding and punched. LIFO. Last in, first out. So lastly folded, suppose like this, immediately you can open like this. See the questions. First one, folded horizontally. Second step, arrowwise. Next, bottom to top. Once it is open, top to bottom. So top to bottom means the circle diagram looking like this. Next to open, right to left. So there are two images looking like these two. Final step, top to bottom opened. Top to bottom open means in a given question, directly circles. That's why there is no change. Same imaginations visibility. Same images visibility. Okay. So according to this answer, which option satisfied? Clearly option A is satisfied. Okay, children. Okay, once again recall. Suppose left to right, right to left. If you are open left to right and right to open, it is worked as mirror image. Okay, suppose top to bottom or bottom to top, it is open looking like a water image. Looking like water image. Okay, remember children. Next one. Circle is given, bottom to top folded, next to right to left folded. Okay, next there is a punch. Punch looking like pentagon. Okay, now open. What is the last closed last folding? This is the last folding. Look at. Once it is open, this is the first open. So first to open. Okay. In a mirror also same pentagon. Last step. Okay. Last step. Top to bottom open. Top to bottom. So this pentagon using this top to bottom open means it is worked as a water image. This is the figure. Okay, which option is possible? Clearly, option B is the right answer because in option A triangle is given, so wrong. Okay, here pentagon okay, but diagram position wrong. Option C. In option D, square rectangle is given, so wrong. So clearly, option B is the answer. This type of questions, children, you can use a maximum elimination method. After the elimination, you are getting the answer very easily. Look at here. So paper first folding and second folding. So two foldings. After that there is a punch. This is third folding. After that there is a punch. Okay, there is a punch. Once it is open, first step. Look at. This is the position. So option A clearly wrong. Option D also wrong. So B and C you have to check. Next, first unfolded. This is the step. Okay. Next, last unfolded. This is the figure view. Okay. This is already fold opened. So in the visibility, this line not existing. So which option is possible? Which option is possible? Observe clearly. Option B is the answer. Okay, children. Next, question number 5. First, bottom to top folded, right to left folded, and there is a punch. So once it is open, like triangle shape, where is the triangle shape? This shape, same. Observe, this is the triangle shape where it is existing. Option D, wrong. Option B, clearly wrong. So A and C, there is a confusion. So observe the figure, triangle shape looking like this. But in option A, triangle is reverse. Okay, that corner is bottom. That's option A is also wrong. So clearly you got option C. This is elimination method. Next, question number 6. Top to bottom folded, right to left folded, there is a punch. Once it is open, observe clearly, children, looking like this. Next, bottom to top open, that rectangle is looking like this. So which option possible? Option A, clearly answer. Okay, children. Okay. 90 percentage by using elimination, you are getting so two options wrong and two options you have to check only. Okay, by using elimination. If you are perfect, write clearly your wish. Next, question number 7. Top to bottom folded, right to left folded, there is a punch. So once it is open, this is looking like this. Again it is open, so middle box. So where it is existing. So A wrong, C wrong, D wrong. Clear. B is the answer. Next, top to bottom folded, right to left folded, and there is a punch. So once it is open, this is the view. Okay, this is the view. So where it is existing. So A clearly wrong, D clearly wrong. So B and C there is a option. So once it is bottom to top open, that same diagram looking like this. So option C is the answer, friends. Okay, children, by this video, complete Navodaya syllabus is over with respect mental ability and arithmetic test. All topics covered. Okay, thank you, children. All the best.
Geobyte.